Most of my viewers are watching without subscribing. It would help a lot if you guys subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Cleaned and washed crabs. Add turmeric, garam masala, red chili powder, salt. Add water to mix. Combine very well and pour the mixture onto the clean crabs. Pan, add oil, add mustard seeds, fennel seeds and fenugreek seeds. Let that fry. Add onions, add curry leaves, garlic and fry very well. Add tomatoes. Now add the marinated crabs. This is drumstick leaves, also known as Murungalella. This is available in all Tamil stores. Almost cooked, add the drumstick leaves. Add coconut milk, stir well. And that's all, guys. The tasty and spicy crab curry, the authentic Sri Lankan way. I hope you guys like the recipe.